Yo, what is going on YouTube? This is Josh over here, American AF Dumpster Rentals in Dallas. So today is going to be a fun one because we are going to go to like one of my favorite places in the world. It's kind of like kids going to Toys R Us back in my day. I don't know where they go nowadays. They don't even, they just play Roblox or whatever. But anyways, we're going to be going to Keystone. We're going to go pick up the Kenworth that's over there. It's a lot of K's. We're going to go to Keystone and we're going to pick up the Kenworth that's over there. They repaired the Stellar hook under warranty, of course, that that busted on like, what, week 2 or week 1 of us owning the thing. So Stellar came out with a whole new design for the Hooklift and the adjustable hook from 54 inches to 62 or 61 and 3/4, whatever it is. But Stellar came out with a whole new design for that hydraulic change in height. So finally, after a while now, almost a year, not anyone's fault, it's just they were redesigning it, then they had to get patents and all that other stuff. But after all this time, we're finally going to have, and my third lever is going to finally work to adjust the height of the hook automatically, which I don't really need, but in case I ever do, it'd be nice to have. And plus, I paid for it when I got it anyways, right? So, but yeah, we're heading to Keystone. Let's go.
Picking it up with SkyTrack, do you? On the back?
No.
Yeah.
No.
He said don't roll it. He said it'd be better if you don't roll it. So.
Oh, it's just it's this one.
Come over here.
This is this one right here.
Oh, that's even better.
So last time I just had the air on. I turned it off because it's like it's just shooting out. Last time I just had the air on, sprayed it.
Let me try to take the pressure off of it and see if it does it. It'd take me all day to do that.
That was pretty quick. I was like, oh, okay.
No, the hole was there.
I don't remember it being
The hole was there, but there wasn't anything in there.
Okay.
Remember, it was all right here, and then running up the side right there.
Right.
And the kit that they gave us, we had to pull this out, put a new cylinder on it. And that cylinder is ported different to where you can keep it internally and connect everything right there. So it's a pretty slick system. I think it'll work great.
Yeah, because the track was back there, wasn't it?
It was all the way, remember?
The track was all the way in the back, and then it rolled all the way to the front.
Pretty sure it was all the way and then looped over.
Yeah.
I mean, it was here. I definitely think they got it figured out. All internal plumbing now, no external. But you shouldn't have any interference now with the 6-inch roller.
I mean, once it broke off, it was never a problem after that.
Okay. I think they're doing that as standard now.
Yeah.
So you help change the industry.
Thing, if that makes sense. You know what I'm saying? Like more of a...
I mean, you do it for the industry, which... Hold your eardrums. Good work.
Oh, yeah. Okay. There was a ton of cans.
There's a ton.
I was wondering,
It's crazy.
Are you guys doing graphics now? Because obviously Redbox, right? But then you got another one back there that shows that you guys put graphics on it too. We're
doing stenciling.
I need you to do stenciling for us.
Huh?
I could use that.
How?
So I don't have to sit there
You're too fancy.
No, I'm not.
Huh?
What happened to this thing?
You see them stencils back there? They're not as fancy as
I need to go more basic.
I would agree.
Too expensive.
That's one thing I think too many people spend too much money on. You need your name on there. You need it nice.
That's it.
Right?
That's it.
But I know people are spending $1,500 a box. You know.
Yeah.
Graphic.
All right. So a lot of people have already seen Klute's truck shop.
You saw our Klute's truck shop video.
I've seen the video. Yeah, it looks really good. That's the first time we're gonna show it off here on the channel.
On the channel.
That door.
Klute's truck shop.
Named after the man himself, Don Klute.
After the one and only Don Klute.
Yes, sir. Let you go behind me. Watch your step. Oh, that's a big difference to how it was last time.
Yeah, we came through. We put truck shop stations that everyone has air, hydraulic, electrical, heat, whatever you want, right there for the guys. Try to work on efficiencies. We're really trying to. First quarter, we're trying to double capacity in this area. We feel like if we can get ahead and get some trucks in stock, instead of take by order, that we can double capacity in this area.
So we got one, like 5 bays?
There's 6 total bays right now. The last one's being utilized for trailers.
Okay.
Yep. We were talking about bumper hitch trailer. We did sell our first 16-foot bumper hitch trailer.
Really? Oh,
it's like
that's got to be something.
How long have we been trying to sell that 14-foot? Huh? Quite a while. How we doing, Caleb? Good.
What's up, man? Good. How are you?
Yeah. Took a few old whole trailers in on trade, so I do have 2 used ones ready for the market.
These you're used?
Yeah. Brian Gonzalez.
Oh yeah. So with his
traded
up for the Mac.
Yeah. Yeah. Finishing details on the first 16-foot bumper hitch.
So this is
Keystone
the
trailer. Yep. Yeah. First one. Couldn't talk him into the 14-foot. He had to have 16-foot.
Dang on it.
Yep.
Is he local or no?
Yeah, he's local. So no, it's gonna be exciting. We've got a lot of growth planned for the year in trucks. Went to our truck dealers, got a bunch of trucks queued up to come in Q1. A bunch of hoist hooks and cables coming in Q1.
So if you had a guy assigned to just his trailer, and is that kind of how you schedule it? Like basically, like, this is your trailer, or is it like one guy does
he basically does all the welding on the trailer, and then we move it over to one of the truck shop guys to do the hydraulics and electrical.
And how long? Like if you from start to finish, like if you just focused on this and not anything else, how long would that process take you?
I'm gonna say the welding side of it is 32 to 40 hours, somewhere around there. Again, we don't build them in assembly line style fashion. We're kind of one-off, very talented individual there building them. Pays a lot of attention to the details of quality, all that. If we need to increase capacity, we could do it on a little assembly line, probably get that down, another 10% or so. And it takes about 10 to 18, well, about 18, depending on option, 15 hours to put the hydraulics and the electrical on. That goes pretty quick. Most of that's just bolt together type stuff. So.
And over here, you just literally just putting on, or over there, you're just
putting chassis on. Yeah, we got the right now we got the HT our 14-foot version of the cable hoist. This one's for Brian. He was asking me for pictures this morning, so y'all posted the video, and then I'll have to take some pictures.
Brian who?
Brian Gonzalez.
This one?
Yeah.
I'll take it.
Yeah.
I'll send it to him. So he's going small truck.
Yeah. What he did, he went with 2 Max with the 20,000 pound on, and then has this one for the smaller loads, the lighter loads, and the delivery of the 14-foot stuff. And then he can dedicate his 2 bigger ones to the 30-yard stuff. So works out pretty well.
Wait. Aren't his Max? His Max are little ones.
20,000. 20,000 single axle, but he runs up to 18 foot.
30s?
He runs those 18-foot 30 yards. I love the 18-foot 30 yard.
This is for that one guy down in Corpus Christi that we don't like, right? That guy?
That guy. Yeah.
Yo, what's up, Brian? This one, they told me it was yours, and he said he owed you some pictures. So I told him, I got you, man. I'll send you some. I'll send you a quick video, man. What it is. I won't even charge you nothing for the video either. Look at this.
He's checking out the quality for you, making sure everything looks good.
There you go.
Huh?
I mean, you got one of your top guys on it, so.
That's it.
Yeah.
He is the top guy.
I like Caleb. Caleb's always a good dude.
Yeah.
Always got a smile on his face.
Caleb does get all his custom fabrication. See this little plate here for the valve under the.
I didn't record that. Do that again.
I said Caleb does good at all this little custom fabrication. He made this plate to hold that valve up under the box where you get it away from the container as it's rolling forward. You can safely operate everything.
Nice.
Every truck's a little different, you get a little workmanship, a little artwork.
Damn, where's Brian getting all his money from?
Don't show him that dash all torn apart. No,
Oh,
I'm just
no. All the pieces all over the place? Brian's spending all kinds of money lately.
kidding. Caleb going to paint today? 3 o'clock. That's what we told him. Good. Perfect. Is he working on 60? Or working
No,
with
he's
you?
on this. We're trying to get it cracked out.
Get it out. Good.
Cool. So that's kind of a big difference from when we saw it last time, for sure.
It is a big
Remember
difference.
that we did he was standing all the way out there and it was just me and you in there.
Oh, it was
empty room.
totally empty, wasn't
Yep.
it? Yeah. You got to get the guys welding there.
Yeah, do that slow
Full
motion.
shot, huh?
Do that slow motion stuff that you'd like to do. He's pretty good at that. That always looked really cool.
Pretty good shot.
I got a whole lot of cheese on my nuts. Look at they covered in garlic. That mean that money it flow like a pizza. I get it, it's split my brother.
All right, once again, so thanks for taking care of the big truck for me.
Yeah,
Or the
absolutely.
Kenworth. Appreciate
Absolutely.
Stellar sending the parts for us to for you guys to put it all in. Was it a lot of work?
No, it
No?
took us about a day.
Okay.
It was about 6-8 hours worth of work. It was our first one too.
6, 7.
You're idiots. 6'7", 6'7", 6'7".
Worked out pretty good.
Yeah.
Huh?
All right.
6, 7.
6, 7. That's terrible. My kid. It's
Don't
his
say that.
fault.
Huh?
It's his fault. All right. So yeah, man.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Absolutely.
It's looking really good out here.
It is. It's gonna be a good year.
It's just every time I come out, you
Got a
got
lot of
more
momentum.
and more and more and more and more stuff. More trucks, more dumpsters, more space where you guys are working. I don't come out very often because it's kind of a hike. Well, it's not even that far. I just hate traffic.
It's just traffic.
Yeah, it's traffic on the way here.
What are you, 40 miles?
About that, 60.
Takes 2 hours.
Yeah. Hour and 20 minutes getting here, usually about 2 hours back by the time we leave. So
We're always happy to have you.
yeah.
When you come in.
I mean, it's like
Come visit more often.
I said this morning. It's kind of like when you're a kid and you go to Toys R Us. You know, Toys R Us ain't around for nobody. You know, kids these days. But it's like coming here. It's like, you know, you go into the candy store. You see all the nice new dumpsters, all the nice new trucks. You're like, how can I spend more money?
Yeah, I hear you.
But no, I gotta hold it back.
No, hey, you've blessed us, and all the other customers out there have blessed us, and
So
we're able to do this because of them. you
heck
know?
yeah. So it's awesome.
We definitely appreciate it.
Well, thanks again, man.
Appreciate everything.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Don't forget to check out Keystone Waste
do it.
Solutions right here.
All right.
There.
Right there.
Right there. There you go. We out.